A2 German exams are stressful enough without worrying about how to organize your thoughts on the blank page in front of you. Look at this letter. It is a massive, unbroken wall of text. When examiners see this, they immediately start deducting points for readability, even if the German vocabulary is mostly correct. But there is a reliable structural fix for this. You can organize your entire letter perfectly using just 4 specific sequence words, and it takes under 5 minutes to learn. Grab a piece of paper or open a blank digital document right now. We are going to solve this standard A2 exam prompt together, planning a weekend trip with a friend. This split-screen diagram shows our roadmap. On the left is the 4-bullet prompt, and on the right is the blank canvas. Start by looking at the first bullet point. Type a standard greeting, like "Hello, Anna," and drop down a line. To begin the actual message, we use our first sequence word, Erstens. We will write, Erstens habe ich am Samstag Zeit. Notice the placement of the verb habe. In German, it must immediately follow the sequence word in position 2, and examiners check for it strictly. The most frequent error A2 students make is writing Erstens ich habe, inserting the subject between the connector and the verb. You must avoid this. Memorizing this direct relationship, your sequence word immediately followed by your verb, is the single most reliable mechanism for securing your grammar points. Visual space is just as important as vocabulary. Hit the Enter key and force a distinct line break before moving to your next idea. Looking back at our split screen, we address the second bullet point by starting a brand new paragraph with Zweitens. Then we add möchte ich ans Meer fahren. The pattern holds. The verb möchte locks securely into position 2. Look down at your own paper. You should now clearly see 2 visibly distinct blocks of text separating your first 2 ideas. Hit Enter again. We address the third bullet point using Außerdem, meaning furthermore. The rule remains consistent. Außerdem bringe ich Snacks und Getränke mit. If you are typing on an international keyboard and cannot easily find the S-set character for Außerdem, you can substitute a double S. Both spellings are completely acceptable to graders. By creating a new paragraph for every sequence word, your visual layout perfectly mirrors the logical steps the examiner laid out in the prompt. We have reached the final bullet point. Press the Enter key one last time to start your final section. Looking at our document, we introduce our concluding phrase, Zum Schluss, translating to in conclusion. We write, Zum Schluss brauche ich noch deine Antwort. Even though Zum Schluss consists of 2 separate words, they function together as a single sequence block. Because it acts as one block, the verb brauche still immediately follows it, fulfilling the position 2 requirement. This final paragraph is the ideal place to ask a closing question or request a sign-off response from the person you are writing to. You have successfully taken a 4-bullet exam prompt and translated it into exactly 4 distinct, grammatically sound paragraphs. Look at this final document. The sequence words and their connected verbs form a clean, highly legible framework right down the left side of the page. Compare our structured letter to the dense block of text we saw at the beginning. The improvement in readability is obvious. This organized visual layout, combined with accurate verb placement, ensures an examiner can effortlessly read your ideas and award you maximum points. Now it is time to practice. Pause the video here and use this exact template to solve this brand new prompt about a birthday party.